What's going on, everybody? Welcome. Glad you're here. Today we're going to take a look at the best export settings for Instagram videos. So, reels, stories, feed posts, you name it. Recently I uploaded my cinematography reel and I also made some reels and like short Insta stories. And I got a lot of questions like, dude, what's your export settings? How can it be such high quality? So here we go. Let's jump right into it. So it's pretty basic and pretty simple. So this is my, timeline. There's nothing fancy about it. Let's see what the timeline settings are. It's basically a 1080 by 1920, aka a 9 by 16 aspect ratio. So if we go to the deliver page, then, man, my computer. All right. So basically, what I do for Instagram stories, it doesn't really matter if it's a story, a feed post, or a reel post. I always do the same exact thing. So I shoot it at 24 frames a second and I restrict my bitrate, and this is probably the most important part, at 10,000 kbps, so 10 mbps, megabytes per second. And the export settings are basically MP4 at H.264. So it's nothing crazy, nothing fancy. But I feel like the thing that does make the difference is the fact that I utilize a little bit of sharpness, but not too much. I don't go crazy on their grade because usually a video that has a bit too much sharpness on it, it looks not realistic at all. So the sharpness that I use is basically 0.48 always. I never go below or beyond. So yeah, that's basically it. So in Premiere, it's exactly the same. Just dial in MP4 H.264 at 1080 by 1920, 24 frames a second, and restrict it to 10,000 kbps. Hit render and just upload it as you would normally would on Instagram. And go get them likes, brother. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.